Hello everyone, this video is more about lifestyle where I'll be talking about the tradition, children and the beauty of Souk Waqif. Welcome you all to Salingist. How many among us are really taking an effort to expose our kid to tradition or cultural diversity, especially those who are living away from their home country? We are more accessing to the mall, which is really more towards the luxury or modern technologies and modern lifestyle. Exposing our kids to the changing lifestyle or different lifestyle or cultural diversity or different perspective will really improve their emotional and social intelligence. This will help them to improve their ability for open thinking. And also it will help them to understand there are different approaches to be happy in their life. This will help the kids to learn how to adjust in changing environment and also how to thrive in a situation which is keep on changing. So it is important that we should include in the part of our lifestyle to visit somewhere or to expose our kids to some places which is rich in culture and different lifestyle. Last day we visited the Souk Waqif, which is one of the most beautiful places in Qatar, which is really rich in culture and tradition. It's a part of a routine to visit there and my kids really love that place. I have captured few videos from there, but to be frank, I'm an unprofessional videographer, so I hope you will enjoy the video. I'm adding that video along with this.
Đi bạc.
Balloon?
Yeah. Wow.
Balloon. Oh.
Souk Waqif, the standing market, is a marketplace in the state of Qatar in Doha. If you are after something with a small authentic feel as well as a great night out, Souk Waqif is the place to be. It is a major tourist destination on its own. Its covered passageways are stuffed with hundreds of small shops lined along this path with a dazzling array of Middle Eastern merchandise from spices and seasonal delicacies to perfumes, jewelry, along the market's mud coated stone walls. Traditional music, art, and cultural show add to the ambience of this historical place. If you stroll around its narrow lane, when you travel here, you will find everything from garment to spices, perfumes to diamonds, scented oils to falcons, and much more. Not just a thriving marketplace, Souk Waqif is also home to a variety of traditional style restaurants and casual cafes which offer a diverse variety of local and regional flavors. There are also shisha lounges and charming antique stores, as well as art galleries and luxurious boutique hotels. A melting pot for locals and foreigners, this is a place to browse and explore, barter and shop, relax and mingle. This is a local platform organizing cultural sessions and events to introduce Qatari culture to expatriates and visitors. It is today one of the most culturally rich places in Doha and a standing piece of Qatar's history. The souk site dates 100 years back to a time when Bedouins and the local traders would gather here to buy and sell livestock, spices, wool, pearls, and other staple goods. Covered alleys, big wooden doors, and ceiling made of bamboo were also added, all the lending to the site an aging look and a pleasant change of pace from the lofty skyscrapers and modern construction dominating Doha cityscape. Every government or society or country or state has their own practices which they want to preserve and pass on in hopes to keeping tradition alive. The word tradition comes from the Latin word traditional, which means handing over or passing on. Low-rise buildings, generally only single-storied, are a peculiar characteristic of Qatari architecture. This is in keeping with regional planning principles and then available local materials such as bamboo, mud, and palm frond. All buildings in this market are rough plastered and small openings face the streets. Wind towers were used in residential buildings and one such property exists at one end of the market.
Thank you so much for watching. I hope you really enjoyed the video and you understand the importance of exposure of your children to something that is tradition and culture. And also stay tuned with Challenges, and I want your valuable comments in my comment box. So I'll come back with my next video. Bye bye.